Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Supreme Fudge Brownie Mix. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 box of Supreme Fudge Brownie Mix, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of water. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking pan by lightly greasing it or lining it with parchment paper. This ensures your brownies won't stick. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine the brownie mix, your 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of water. Stir these ingredients together using a spoon until they are just moistened. This usually takes about 50 strokes. Remember, it's important not to overmix the batter, as this can lead to a less fudgy and more cake-like brownie. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into your prepared 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Spread it gently to ensure an even thickness. Place the pan in your preheated oven and bake for 28 to 31 minutes. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. After baking, let the brownies cool completely on a wire rack. Patience is key for perfect slices. Finally, once your brownies are completely cool, it's time to cut and enjoy them. Use a sharp knife to cut them into 2-inch squares. For an extra treat, consider adding a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. These Supreme Fudge Brownies are perfect for any occasion. And hey, if you love to read while enjoying your treats, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Happy baking and happy reading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.